February 22nd is 5 or moderate. This is the National Weather Service office in Fort Worth. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning system for weather radio station KEC 56. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and noon and between 6 and 8 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variation, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even while you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Hill, Hood, Hunt, Kaufman, Parker, Rockwall, and Tarrant. This concludes the test of weather radio station KEC 56. The current time is 6:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KEC 56, serving the Dallas-Fort Worth listening area.
And by the way, guys, you guys might notice that the Midland WR400 is actually in a different spot. It's that it turns out now the WR400 is actually in my room now because my uncle moved into our house last night, and I asked him if he wanted to have the weather radio here, or if I asked him if he wanted the weather radio in his room, and he said no. So I decided to put it in my room, and that's the first required weekly test with the Midland HH54VP2. Sorry about that. I was moving around a lot, but I had to turn the HH50 off, something like that. But yeah, so this is going to be this video. Thank you for watching.